Bullish request cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 37 cents and 82 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept REQ could reach 37 cents by 2025. Bearish request market cost expectation for 2022 is 6 cents. Request presentation. The universe of digital money is turning out to be progressively nuanced, with improvements happening across many chains, monetary standards, and stages. Different issues obstruct the objective of decentralization, for example, information traffic, convoluted cycles, and security issues. Among said issues comes the instance of smoothed-out installments. Request was laid out as a stage to make the installments framework less convoluted. In this comprehensive aid, we cover the advantages of putting resources into the REQ token, the stage's specialized and major central issues, and give our request cost forecasts. We will be taking a gander at the base cost esteem, normal cost, specialized investigation, most extreme cost, normal conjecture cost, normal exchanging cost, and greatest worth. What is request? The significant expenses of working on cryptographic money stages ordinarily emerge in the installments component. Outsiders which relieve cash trades into different worldwide monetary standards charge a weighty expense for changes. Nonetheless, request changes the game by dispensing with the requirement for outsider transformation frameworks and wallets. Through request, the clients send data, for example, the installment owed and the client to which the request is to be sent. The installments can be made and sent through basic requests, or invoiced through different means. As the local badge of request, the REQ token is utilized to control all organization requests. The request stage's attractiveness is what we consider while making our potential request cost forecast. The method involved with requesting installments on cryptographic money stages wasn't really the most smoothed out. However, with request, clients can send solicitations and agreements. Requests for charging are moved when the agreement is finished, which keeps the interaction formal and fundamentally stays away from extortion. Since the stage empowers clients to save data on all exchanges, clients are better coordinated with regards to installments and such. Eliminating outsider transformation and installment handling expenses results in a less expensive crypto experience, particularly for fledgling clients who are now betting their cash in an unstable market. Since most worldwide monetary standards are covered under request, yet others are being empowered, request as a stage takes into consideration crypto exchanging around the world. Considering this broad market access, our request cost forecasts pursue a positive direction. Request speculation. The vision of request's originators, Christophe Laschite and Etienne Tatter, was to make a stage that smoothed out installments while keeping up with security and protection. In that objective, request has been absolutely excellent, since changing over computerized installments into conventional installments is facilitated without cosmic charges and commissions paid to outsiders. Request stays an attractive and beneficial endeavor, while the cost of request has stayed unstable given the idea of the market. Upwards drifts in the future describe beneficial request cost expectation. Since outsider contribution is checked, the request stage covers security arrangements utilizing Ethereum and IPFS. Clients and diggers pay just exchange expenses for the stage's better transactability and local area-driven administration. Request crypto current cost. Request is as of now worth 8 cents USD. REQ has moved 0.95% as of now with an exchanging volume of $1,536,548. Request is as of now positioned 185 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $84,388,045 USD. Request value expectation 2022. Request, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The REQ cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to 12 cents. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging 11 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. REQ is supposed to have a base worth of 10 cents. Request value forecast 2023. In 2023, request REQ cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of REQ will before long outperform 20 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the REQ's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, REQ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 16 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 18 cents. Request value forecast 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 29 cents and REQ might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. REQ is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 26 cents and a low of 25 cents in 2024. Request value expectation 2025. Assuming request effectively helps market feeling among digital money lovers, the REQ coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, REQ will be green in 2025. The REQ is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 37 cents, with a base cost of 33 cents and a typical cost of 35 cents. Request value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the REQ cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 43 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 41 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, REQ has a most extreme value worth of 46 cents. Request value expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 52 cents. On the off chance that REQ figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of 54 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help REQ needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 50 cents. Request value expectation 2028. While REQ is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 58 cents and a yearly cost close above 62 cents in 2020. Request value expectation 2029. By 2029, request will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 67 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 71 cents, averaging out at 68 cents. Request value forecast 2030. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme REQ cost in 2030 is projected to be 82 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 78 cents. And request convention's venture potential is gigantic, making the REQ token a popular coin. The stage emphatically improves on installment components while guaranteeing security and offers transformation frameworks, making it the conceivable PayPal of the cryptographic money world. Since installments on decentralized frameworks, like B2B installments, administration, IoT, and so forth, are worked on through request, it has monstrous development potential. The upset systems it offers for installment tasks can't be put into words and are gradually starting to be acknowledged as a practical type of installment and change administration. What is the request cost today? Today, request is exchanging at 8 cents with an all-out market capitalization of $84